What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Apple HDMI cable to HDMI, which I will be using in conjunction with my LG ultra-wide monitor, which should be arriving shortly. So let's take a look around the box. We've got the front of the box, blank side, some description on that side. On the back we've got information about the connectors and how to connect it, blank side, and on the bottom we've got some information. Alright, let's crack open this box then and see what's inside. Let's get that out of the way and open this box up. Come on, there we go. Got a little tab to pull here. Let's do that. And outside's the cable with an instruction manual. Let's see. This is just warranty information. Push that off to one side. And here we have the cable. Very nice. Glossy connectors. Get a good close up of that. Alright, let's take this out of its wrapping. Okay, that seems pretty straightforward. Just give it a good old tug. And this paper should slide right off. Okay. There we have it. Brilliant. And here's the connector which I unboxed earlier on the channel. And that fits. Brilliant. Okay. Thanks for watching YouTube. I'll catch you later. Bye guys. Peace.